Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Ni Hamuda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can leverage on AI to create beautiful arts using Canva. There are several AI tools today you can use to create very beautiful arts. You could use Midjourney. You could use a Microsoft Bing. All right, there are many of them. So let's see. You see, Midjourney is one of those AI tool you could use to create text to image acts. So basically, what this guy does is to help you to create very beautiful visuals by just by just describing what you want. So once you describe what you want, Midjourney would help you to create something like that. But I actually tried Bing. I actually tried Bing. All right. So you just go to bing.com/create. I actually tried Bing and it actually creates things. So you can see create art from words with AI. So you could describe what you want, and this guy is going to try to create a beautiful act for you. So let's try something. You could go to bing.com/create, and then let's say a an African um a beautiful young African lady excited. So let's just see. Oh, so you have to log in, you understand? You have to log in and then you create. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Oh, okay. So once you put in your details, you can create. I think I'm having an issue here. I don't want to take our time because this is not the really purpose of this video. So the purpose of this video is to take you to Canva, all right? Is to take you to Canva to show you how you can actually create stuff, beautiful art using just Canva. So this is Canva. Welcome to Canva. Canva is a free media tool that you can use to create videos, graphics, and a lot of wonderful stuff. So I'm going to go over to the menu. Once you go to the menu here, you can go to let me approach it from the web version. So I'm going to approach it from web version. So you can go over to apps. So this is the web version. So go ahead and create a free account with Canva, and then go to canva.com. Then go to apps. Once you go to apps, you're going to see this feature here: text to image. Text to image. Transform your words into vivid pictures with our free AI image generator app. Simply type what you'd like to see, then watch it come to life. So you click on create image. Okay, click on create image. You're going to be asked something here. Do you want to use an existing design? So do you have a design you're creating and you want to import the image into that design, or you want to create a new design? So I want to create a new design for the purpose of this video. So I'm going to go over to this post right there, and I'm going to put in this the height is going to be Instagram carousel size, and it's going to be created for me. So once the canvas have been created, then I can go ahead and type in what I want to create. So just describe what you want. It's a very easy stuff. Describe what you want, and this AI is going to create it for you. So now look what's going to happen now. So the dialog box is going to pop up. You see that now? Text to image. So describe the image you want and we'll create it for you. So what do I really want? Okay, so I want to create the image of a waterfall. So a beautiful scenario of waterfall. So you click on create. So once you've described what you want in your head, then click on create and just wait for this AI to create what you want. Now look at this. Take a look at this. It is going to give you 4 samples of what you want. So let's assume that you have a mental picture of what you want to create. You want to add it to your book cover design. You want to add it as an illustration in your design or in your work or whatsoever you are doing. You can actually go to canva.com and you can create it. So this is it. So once you click on it, it's going to be imported directly to your work. You see that? It's going to be imported directly to your work, and you can from there begin to manipulate, begin to work with it. You see that now? Very, very beautiful. So if you wanted to download it, you just have to increase the size to something that you really wanted, and then you just click on this guy here, and then you go ahead and you download this. That's very, very simple. All right, so this is a crazy feature on Canva. Very, very crazy feature. So instead of going to meet Johnny and then take you through all those guys, see, there are a lot of things you can do. So let me show you something. You can actually let's create something again. Let's create something. I want to show you another. See, you can create as much as you want. And you know what? You know one good thing about these guys is that everything you are creating is copyright free. It means that you don't really have to worry about copyright infringement. It means that once you have created it, you have created it. Nobody is going to come and say that this is my own or this belongs to me. You are just going to create it and it belongs to you. Okay, so let's try to create something entirely different. So let's say I want to create a book. I'm looking at creating a book that has to do with artificial intelligence and AI. So let's say illustrate illustration of AI. So I don't know, let's just see whether it gives me the picture of what I want. I just want something, an image that would portray artificial intelligence. You see, the reason why you may not get the accurate result is because you did not describe very well what you wanted. So once you have described what you wanted very well, you would get a good result. So I hope you found this very helpful. Remember, it is very easy. Go to canva.com. All right, so I want to take you through it again. Go to canva.com. Once you have logged in or signed into your account, I prefer you use the desktop view. Once you go to the desktop view, just go to the menu by the corner, the left corner. Once you go to the menu by the left corner, you can just go over to app. You will see apps. So once you go to apps, click on apps, then you're going to see this look at it here, apps. All right, are you seeing that now? Apps. Click on it. You're going to see this text to image AI generator. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Nia Muda, and I will see you in another video. God bless you. Don't forget to share with your friends, share the knowledge with your friend, like the video and drop a comment. Did you find this very, very interesting? Drop a comment and we can connect.